In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in KFC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code, how to verify it worked, and how to finish your order with the discount correctly applied. Start by opening the KFC app on your phone or going to the official KFC website in your browser. Make sure you're in the right country site or region in the app, since some promo codes only work in specific locations. If you have an account, it's a good idea to sign in first, because certain vouchers require you to be logged in or can only be used once per account. Next, browse the menu and choose the food you want. Add your items to the cart as usual, paying attention to any promo requirements like minimum spend, eligible items, or pickup versus delivery. Some codes exclude special bundles or limited time offers, so if you plan to use a coupon, try to keep your selection flexible in case something isn't included. When you're ready, go to your cart and tap or click Checkout. Here's where you'll find the promo code or voucher box. On the app, this usually appears on the checkout screen. On the website, you might see a field labeled Promo Code, Voucher, or Have a Code. If it's not visible, look for a small link to expand that section. Enter your code exactly as it appears. Copy and paste if possible to avoid typos, and remove any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Codes can be case-sensitive and may have dashes, so match the format. Once the code is in, tap Apply. Give it a moment to process. If the code is valid for your order, you'll see the discount appear right away on the checkout page before you pay. Look for the new subtotal and the line showing the promotion applied. If the discount doesn't show, double-check the code's expiry date, minimum order value, eligible items, and whether it's meant for delivery or pickup. Try removing any excluded items or adding one more qualifying item if you're just below the required spend. Also, ensure your location and store selection match the coupon's conditions. With the discount confirmed on the screen, review your total, choose delivery or pickup, and select your payment method. Complete the order as normal. The key thing is that the discount shows before payment. If it doesn't, don't proceed. Fix the issue first so you don't miss the savings. That's it. Open the KFC app or website, add your favorites, enter and apply your code at checkout, confirm the discount, and finish your order with confidence. Enjoy your meal and your savings.